Currently about, should be 10 feet off the ground. Engine helicopter, I should say. A pair of Rolls-Royce Turbomeca RTM 322 turbo shafts. Well, we've already seen operations from both ends of the airfield today, with the wind being a little fickle. The aircraft in our next slot are now already on the roll. First off, we have the North American P-51D Mustang, a moving McFly from Warbird Experiences at Biggin Hill. Then we have the PC Commonwealth CAAT Mustang Mark 21, a Jersey Jerk from Ultimate Warbird Flight and Flight Radiation Engineering. 85 years away, Cavalier F-51D Mustang 2, a Wood Rebel from Newcomer and Sola in Norway. And while the latter two get together, in front of us is Moonbeam McSwine. This aircraft represents the mound of Captain Bill Wisner of the 352nd Fighter Group's 487th Fighter Squadron, based at Bodney in Korean War. Aeroplane which a deal was done with Fred Ackery's replacement. But then in November of last year, that Mustang was bought by Warbird Experiences at Biggin Hill. It arrived there in March of this year, and it's now Jersey Jerk, the name of the aircraft flown by later Major General Donald Strait, when he was serving with the 356th Fighter in honour of his home state. Donald Strait himself was later a great supporter of Duxford's American Air Museum before. And subsequent playoff between those two countries, and it has a very significant part in the history of aerial warfare as well. And this one, Moonbeam McSwine, also saw service in the Soccer War with the Salvadoran Air Force. Was active in China at the close of World War II. And there is Dan Griffith